Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss next PYQ of Linear Algebra asked on Csirnet 2018. So our question is, the system of equation 1.x plus 2x square plus 3x square y 3xy plus 0y is equals to 6, 2x plus 1x square plus 3xy plus y is equals to 5, 1 minus x square plus 0xy plus 1 y is equals to 7. Then which of the following solution are satisfied here? So here this is a system of linear equation, this is a system of equations. So we have to find the matrix of this equation. If we draw the matrix of this equation, what the matrix of this equation we get? 1 2 3 0. Next 2 1 3 1 1 minus 1 0 1. This is the matrix of this equation. What we do, we write the first coefficient of x, then coefficient of x square, then coefficient of xy, then coefficient of y. Same here, coefficient of x, then coefficient of x square, then coefficient of xy, then y. Same here, coefficient of x square, coefficient of xy, and coefficient of y. This is a matrix. We have to, as this is non-homogeneous system of linear equation, we draw the argumented matrix. So this is 6, this is 5, and this is 7. So this is a matrix we get. Now we apply the row operation here. So what the similar matrix of this matrix? If we multiply by r1 and then subtract r1 by r2, what we get? We get 1 2 0 0 6. We multiply by this and subtract, we get 0 minus 3 1 minus 7. Here also if we subtract r1 by r2, we get 0, we get minus 3, this minus this minus 3, this minus this minus 3, this minus this 1, this minus this 1. So we get this matrix. Now again, if we subtract r3 by r2, what we get? 1 2 3 0 6 0 minus 3 1 minus 7. Now we'll subtract this. What we get? 0. This subtraction this 0, this subtraction this 0, this subtraction this 0, and this subtraction this, we get 8. So as we see, this is a matrix A. So as we see, rank of A is what? Rank of A is 2. Rank of matrix A is 2 because number of non-zero rows are 2. As we see, the rank of A argumented B and rank of A argumented B is what? Is 3. As rank of A is not equals to rank of A argumented B, we say what? The system has no solution. So this is the solution of this question based on system of linear equation. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.